After installing the timing chain, I'm gonna show the timing marks really quick. That's the timing mark right there. Right there. We go to the other side here, and as you can see, that's the line right there. And this is the black tooth. And on the other side, you can see here the white mark. That's the arrow. That's the arrow from the manufacturer, from Toyota. I paint in white so it can be more visible. And that is the mark right there, the arrow. So in other words, they have to line up like this and like this. And if we go beneath the car, that's the timing mark right there on the crankshaft. That's the black tooth right there. And on the other side, the small chain right there for the oil pump also has another tooth that is lining with this one, another black tooth, and also another timing mark in the other sprocket. So if we go beneath here, that's the timing mark right there, and that's the black tooth, as you can see right there. So those are the timing marks on this 2002-2006 Toyota Camry 2.4 liter engine automatic transmission. Thanks for watching the video, and God bless you all.